Check out the new Apollo DB-X14. 125cc motor with a 4-speed semi-automatic transmission. This is the big brother version to the DB-X4. The X4 is a 110 motor. This is a 125. The X14 also features upgraded inverted forks. We've got a twin spar dual tubular frame. As you can see, there's no clutch. This is called an automatic clutch or a semi-automatic. We got 4 gears. This is great for beginners, those who are still figuring out the whole gear system. Great intermediate platform for those looking to transition soon to a manual clutch. We've got a keyed ignition for theft protection. Hydraulic disc brakes front and rear. Seat height of about 33 inches. We've got these in a few different colors. Check them out online at www.atvwholesaleoutlet.com. You can give us a phone call if you got any questions. Call us at 916-922-3333. We'd be glad to help you out. Come see him today.